In the United States, it's not about how much you make, it's about how much you actually keep after Uncle Sam takes his cut. Taxes are likely your single biggest expense in life, yet most Americans don't understand how the system works. Today, I'm pulling back the curtain on USA tax basics and showing you 3 legal ways to lower your tax bill so you can keep more of your hard-earned money. Understanding tax brackets. The first thing you need to know is that the US has a progressive tax system. Many people think that getting a raise into a higher bracket means all their money is taxed more. That is a myth. Only the money within that specific bracket is taxed at the higher rate. Understanding this prevents the fear of earning more. Knowledge is power, and knowing your effective tax rate is the first step to financial mastery. Standard versus itemized deductions. Every year you have a choice. Take the standard deduction or itemize. For most people, the standard deduction is the way to go. But if you have high mortgage interest, large charitable donations, or significant medical expenses, itemizing could save you thousands. Also, don't forget about tax credits like the child tax credit or the earned income tax credit. These are even better than deductions because they reduce your tax bill dollar for dollar. The power of tax-advantaged accounts. This is the cheat code to wealth in America. When you contribute to a traditional 401k or a traditional IRA, that money is deducted from your taxable income today. If you earn $60,000 and put $10,000 in your 401k, the IRS only taxes you as if you earned $50,000. You are essentially getting a 20 to 25% discount on your investments just by using the right type of account. Health savings accounts, or HSA. The triple threat. If you have a high deductible health plan, you must look into an HSA. It is the only account in the US that is triple tax advantaged. Your contributions are tax deductible, the money grows tax-free, and the withdrawals for medical expenses are tax-free. It's the ultimate secret weapon for long-term wealth and health security. Even if you don't use it now, you can invest that money in the stock market and let it grow for decades. Don't wait until April. Most people think about taxes in April, but the wealthy think about them all year round. Small moves like tax loss harvesting or adjusting your W-4 at work can prevent a massive surprise bill. Consult with a tax professional once a year. It might cost you $300, but it could save you $3,000. Tomorrow, for Day 27, we discuss why retirement planning is urgent, no matter how young you are.